I'm here at Home Depot. I'm about to run in and exchange. I never filmed this. I got a new lock for my house, and I'm gonna take it back because I want the one that's Wi-Fi. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in and hopefully I'll get some footage of that. So decided against getting some stuff. My dad put me under the impression that he knew what lock I needed to get. I picked up more than what I planned on picking up, which duh. Really terrified right now because my camera just took a extreme tumble. That was the first time I ever dropped it. But I'm trying to be aware of the stuff that you drink and eat, because I bought this at the Dollar Tree, which granted, okay, it's a Dollar Tree, but I got a bad habit of reading the nutritional facts once I leave the store. This says it contains 3% juice, and the rest is water, high fructose corn syrup, and concentrated lemon juice. So only 3% of that. That don't make no sense. It's going out. Wasted my own money, but there we go. battery. Flush. Okay, get my pieces. My other piece. My other piece. Okay. We got our pieces. You helping out, Bev?
I'm very busy right now.
What are you doing?
Watching some movies.
Why everybody else works hard?
I'm gonna be dusty. Derek, we're gonna have to put some clothes.
Oh, girl. You're just so busy. Nothing.
You crazy or what, girl? Get up, singles.
It's hiding indoors.
Look at you.
Am I in the screen?
Yeah. I got you.
It better be right.
Hey, come on now. I ain't got all day for all
Yeah,
this.
well.
What's that line up for?
I don't know.
Oh, you know.
I didn't do that.
Oh, you know. Come on, Dumbo.
Dumbo at the gate.
You put on the gate.
He at the gate. He probably want to go to Grandma's. You know how your boy did. Where are we going to Granny's? Alright, that is all for today. Didn't really get anything accomplished besides, well, most of the bathroom vanity is in. We just need to do a few more tweaks. Oh God. We just need to do a few more tweaks, like what we ended up having to do is raise it up since we got that weird looking step in here, and we put the little light medallion. Is it called a medallion? Whatever, light medallion. We put it up there. I'm gonna actually put a few more. Yeah, I'm gonna put a few more little finishing nails in there just to keep it flush, because it's flat, but it's still kind of lagging over in here. So I'm finna do that before I leave. I gotta clean up everything. Yeah, so thank y'all for watching today's episode. I think it was pretty short today because I am trying to pull this house together like completely in the next year. Like I'm talking about decor, the outside, the inside. This next year is the deadline, okay? And like I get like that because I'm always letting something throw me off, you know? I'm always letting something throw me off, and I'm always too busy with other stuff, and I don't want to do that anymore. I need to focus and lock in on really what I got going on and nothing else. Something has to come first. Something has to give, and it has to be this. And for the most part, it was like that, but then, you know, like, I need to go out. Let me hang with you at brunch. Baby, I can't make brunch. I can't make brunch. I got shit to do. But thanks for watching. You're at that house. But I texted Tyler, but he ain't said nothing back to me. What is Sean? Girl.
Someone has to turn on his down. Once you turn it down, I just want to sit there and let the traffic fix it out for you.
Okay.
So there. So we have it like normal, like how it's supposed to.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want me to check the material out to see what comes to everything, or you want to get it yourself, or?
I'll probably get it myself, but I don't know. Come in, walk in the paint.